ang exam ng heat transfer ay sa Sabado. Sabado siya naka-schedule. December 14. Yun yung nakita ko, yun yung nakita ko kahapon. In that case, ang finals exam ay until December 17. December 17. Tama, hanggang December 17 yung finals exam. Pero ang schedule ng heat transfer ay December 13, Saturday, December 13. In that case, 2 araw na lang yung presentation ng ating final project, December 18 at December 19. Which is hindi yun matatapos lahat. Hindi matatapos lahat kasi 40 groups kayo. Therefore, nasa inyo ang desisyon. You decide sa section nyo. Ito ang possibilities. Una, deadline ng problem set will be on Tuesday. Deadline ng problem set will be on Tuesday. Ang submission ng paper, ang submission ng papers of copy at hard copy will be on Sunday. Start tayo ng presentation ng Monday. Yun, kung sino unang group magsa-start ng presentation ng Monday. Yung oras ng presentation ng Monday will depend on anong oras matatapos ang last exam. Kung matatapos ang last exam na scheduled last exam ng Monday ay 5:45, magsisimula ang presentation ng 6 to 8. 6 to 8. Magkakameron ng presentation ng 6 to 8. Same goes ng Tuesday at Wednesday. Ganun din. Kung anong oras matatapos ang presentation, magkakameron tayo ng presentation ng 6 to 8. Kung matatapos ang presentation ng Tuesday ng 3:00, simula ang presentation ng 3:00 hanggang 8. Ganon yung magiging schedule natin. Yun yung option number 1. Deadline ng problem set on Tuesday morning 10 a.m. Deadline ng final paper ay Sunday morning din 10 a.m. Hard copy at soft copy. Well, hindi pala Sunday, Saturday ang deadline ng final project before mag-exam ng heat transfer. Yun yung option 1. Again, option 1, deadline ng problem set on Tuesday morning 10 a.m. Deadline ng final project Saturday before ang exam ng heat transfer. Soft copy at hard copy. Then, start ng presentation will be on Monday kung anong oras matatapos ang finals exam ng scheduled on Monday. Then, ang isang option 2, deadline ng final paper on Tuesday morning 10 a.m. Then Saturday ang problem set. Still, ang presentation ay Monday pa rin. Monday ang start ng presentation ng gabi. Kung sino yung unang magpe-present na group. Yun. Yun lang yung dalawang options. I need your decision now. Both AE at kayong section 8. By 11:45 kailangan ko ng decision since nandito naman yung karamihan. I need your decision. And yun yung major announcement natin. I-adjust natin yung schedule kasi most likely yung mga magre-removals ay hindi na makakapag-removals kasi hanggang December. Bakit natin siya i-adjust? Kasi dapat by December 19. Well, December 21 nga, last day yon, December 21. Dapat by December 21, may grade na kayo, hindi INC. Dapat may grade na kayo by December 21. 'Yun, kaya again, i-a-adjust natin yung schedule. Kung that is, guys, kaya natin siya gagawin para makapag-removals pa kayo on Saturday or Sunday nun, nung December 20 at 21 kasi hanggang dun lang kayo puwedeng pumasok. So, kung hindi natin matatapos 'yan, kung hi let's say matatapos ang presentation natin ng Sunday pa, let's say or Saturday, mag-a-upload ng grade kung ano talagang grade niyo, iyon 'yon. Kailangan kailangan namin kaming mga GL, kaming mga guest lecturer, kailangan naming makapag-grade na before December 21. 'Yun, so kung kung hindi tayo makakapag-removals by those dates, Saturday, Sunday na 'yon, kung anong lalabas sa marka ninyo, 'yun na 'yung marka niyo. Kung siya ay below 70, masi-5 kayo, 'yun. Kaya, need nating ma-adjust ng ma-adjust para magka-grade kayo. Again guys, ginagawa ko 'to para mabigyan kayo ng chance. Lagi kong sinasabi ayoko mambagsak kahit hindi kayo nagpa-participate palagi, ayoko mambagsak, ayun. Kaya makipag-cooperate kayo ng ayos. 'Yun, magdesisyon kayo as section, as section. Kung alin 'yon, yung option 1, deadline problem set Tuesday, or option 2, ah, deadline ng final project ay Tuesday, 'yon. And then since that is the case nga, I'll be giving exemptions ngayong klaseng 'to by lahat kayo lahat kayo until matapos ang klase natin ay kailangan naka-open cam, and yung 5 palaging mauunang sumagot ng tama sa chat box, yung 5 una palaging sasagot, yung pinakamaraming tamang sagot na 5 na una sa chat box, exempted sa problem set, yon. Magdesisyon muna kayo by 11:45. I need your decision by 11:45, yung section niyo, then let me know, 2 minutes.